Here we are in my beautiful kitchen. Tyler's got some omelets cooking, and today I'm going to show you a little fitness diet experiment that I came across on the internet. Here I have some Star-Kissed tuna, and I got some orange juice. Now some of you fitness nerds might already know where I'm going with this. Some of you might be going, hey, what are you going to do with tuna fish and orange juice? Most of you are probably going to be saying, who gives a fuck? We all know you posted this on Facebook, go back to bed. But anyways, we're going to take this tuna here, we're going to throw it in this blender, like so. Yummy cat food. We're going to take this orange juice, which is fucking overpriced at Racetrack, you pieces of garbage, $2.69 for a thing of orange juice when we're supposed to be the orange distributor of the country. Anyways, you put the orange juice in. Delicious. I'm going to take this top, pop this on there, bang, boom, we're ready to go. What are we going for here? We are going for smooth. A little bit more. All right. Now once you blend all that delicious shit up into one little shake, how the hell do I take this off? We're gonna take that. I can find my own cups. Pour that shit all into a glass. Oh yeah. Get a close up on this. Look how delicious. No, get it pouring out. Oh yeah. Oh my god, tuna and OJ. Alright, now I have seriously never tried this. So here we go. Absolutely delicious. You get all your protein and vitamin C in one deal. I'm ready for the day now. You ready?
I'm ready.
Woo! Woo!